Let's get the obvious out of the way first. This is some kind of snowman, and I think you'll find the abominable snowman from Monsters Inc. turned into the adorable snowman, and it's voiced by John Ratzenberger. Well, we started this one off right. We already got a traffic jam after 2 miles on the freeway. Is it just a white bear? Is it a polar bear? Is an abominable snowman a polar bear? Bridge! The bridge! The bridge! Abominable is too complicated syllabically. The syllables are too much. Maybe the whole traffic jam is caused by an abominable snowman. It's a little fender bender because abominable snowmen have trouble with the pedals in the car, and it's hard for them to drive because they got massive paws. It makes it difficult to grip the steering wheel, and it is also very tough for them to get their big claws onto the gas pedal and the brake pedal. And if they're driving a manual with a stick shift and a clutch and all that, it's over. Abominable snowman can't drive a car, so I think it's too big. It needs a big old truck. Maybe it's driving one of those Elon Musk mobiles, whatever that thing's called, that looks like a spaceship gone wrong. The allergies are back. He can modify the pedals a little bit, and it can drive a big rig. I think he can do it. I think we need to employ the abominable snowman. They're out there jobless, living in the wild, eating snow rabbits and plucking fish out of the water. They need to have a chance. Hire more snowmen. Hire more snowmen. And to specify further, we need to hire more abominable snowmen. Hire more abominable snowmen. It's not a very catchy chant, is it? Through the pavement. Yeah, baby. What do? I create employment opportunities for abominable snowmen. That's my job. We'll get them to work in retail, construction, warehouse work. We could get them into the C-suite at the biggest companies on earth. Want to start a business, abominable snowman? We got your back. We know you don't have a job history, and we know you can't ate a bunch of fish on your resume. We'll change society to match our ideas. I've made some snowmen that were pretty abominable in the past. Abominable sounds like a Bible character. Abominable begat somebody. Now, if you have the abdominal snowman, that thing has been working out. It's still covered in fur, so you can't tell, but if it were to shave its belly, you would see a 24-pack of solid muscle. Abdominal, dominoes. He's probably a lot cooler than Abominable snowman, who is a marketing executive. Abdomina disabled snowman, a war general in Greek mythology. Our troops are in place. Your Abdominus, who shall we send to fight the enemy? Abdominimus. Polar bears have a refrigerator. They live in a walk-in freezer. Abominable. Have you ever seen a blob that's got a six-pack? Abominable. Abominable Rain Man. How come there is no abominable snow woman? Abominables would not be a good name for a food establishment. Nobody would want to go to their friend and say, hey, do you want to go on down to Abominable tonight? What are they serving? The Abominable Special. It comes with stuff that's not good, with a side of stuff that's even worse. Look, I'm sorry, Addie, I don't know how to say this word. Abominable. It's like saying banana, you just never know where it's going to end. And the abominable, I feel like, looks pretty scary. but doesn't sound scary. You start the fight, and the Abominable just says, I'm gonna defeat you, because it's my job. I'm gonna use my power of being the most abomination, and I'm gonna crush you. Don't worry, we can still hang out afterwards. It'll be fine. I'm the Abominable. Hold on, let me get through my evil script. I have to get through my evil script. From the dark ages I have crawled out of the shadow, and it's scary stuff that I did. And I have tentacles, and there are barbs on my eyes, and I have a lot of sadness that I emit with my hands at you. I can also summon the most evil of all, the four-legged ant, and that's I can only summon one of them though, but it's pretty scary to see an ant with the wrong number of legs. Also, it's twice as big as a regular ant. The brain! It's the brain! I don't think I can spell Abominable. The brain! I'll have the Abominable, please. Yes. Make it on fire and make it sizzling. Yes. Make it fresh and sizzling and bring on my Abominable to my table so that others may witness the glory of which I have purchased with my many millions of dollars. Abominable? Well, that's no good for that bowl. That bowl gonna blow up. Who put that bomb in the bowl?
How are you? I need a cookie. Cookie, lots of cookies.
Some kind of werewolf situation. But instead of a werewolf, Arnold Schwarzenegger turns into the Cookie Monster during the day.